Hello everyone, back to Basic Electronics video. This is Manoj from Tenet Technetronics. In this video, I am going to explain about the shift register 74HC595 and its working. This shift register is a serial in, parallel or serial out shift register. These 74HC595 are usually used in case where more number of output pins are required than are available. These shift registers comes in a 16 pin packages and operates in a normal 5 volts and it has a shift out frequency of 100 MHz. Let's take a look at the pin configuration.
Coming to the input pins, this is my data input pins. The data from the controller is given at this pin. The next is the latch pin. The latch pin acts like a switch. When it is low, the shift register accepts the data. When it is high, the shift register goes deaf. It means it won't listen or it won't check for the data. The clock pin is toggled once the data has been received. So, the procedures to get the data into the shift register is this. Set the latch pin low. Send the byte of data to the 595 shift register through serial input pin, that is at the pin number 14. And once the data is sent, then toggle the clock pin. Again set the latch pin high. So whatever the data is presented at the serial input pin is pushed at the outputs from Q0 to Q7. Then the data are available to the external load. Let's have a small demo. Here I am making use of the Arduino Uno, shift register 74HC595 and 8 LEDs. The inputs are provided from the data latch clock pin from the controller and the outputs are given to the 8 LEDs, that is from Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, Q5, Q6, Q7. I have written code in such a way that it is sending data from 0 to 255. Let's check by providing a supply. Resetting. This is my LSB 1, 2, 3, 4 and it goes on up to 255.
Thank you for watching this video. For any related queries, leave us a mail at info@tenet.com. Thank you.